Take your denim pants and cut them at your knee section. Then mark 2 straight lines on the sides of the zip and cut it out. Now we have to glue the edges of the cutted section as the threads stick out. I'm using the fevibond glue. Just press it well. At the back side of your denims, cut about 4 centimeters so that it won't get pokey when you stick both the sides. Cut this pointed section as well. Then take your glue and stick it at the edges and press it well. Take your bottom part of the denim and cut it this way. Also cut the hard stitching from the back side of the denim pants. Take your glue and stick the triangle part from the edges and cut the extra cloth from the inside. Mark the straight line at the bottom and stick it upside. Take any stretchy cloth you have and place the other denim bottom over it and apply glue all over the denim and stick it on the stretchy cloth. Just make sure that the stretchy cloth is slightly larger than your denim. Now cut both the denim pockets. Now apply glue, leaving some space at the edges and stick it on the stretchy cloth. Don't stick it on the denim. Do the same on both the sides and press it well. I don't have ring buttons available right now, so I'm using flat washers. Place the washers on the edges of the denim this way and then use a scale to mark the exact opposite. You can sew these washers or you can glue them up. Take a cutter and draw holes inside the washers. You can use a scissor as well to poke it. Mark the bottom of the skirt with a straight line and cut it down. And once you have made holes inside all the washers, take a lace and insert it in that hole. We have to tie it up just like we tie our shoelace in a crisscross way. And then tie a bow and you are done. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!